It's done. It's done. Seen these, I thought they were so cool. This one goes together something like this. And then this one goes together something like this. All right, well, let's go mount them. Let's get this off of here. This one here. This one here. Oh, gonna need some glue, but that one needs to be freed up a little bit. Isn't that cool? I thought they were so cool. They're meant to go on your refrigerator, but my refrigerator magnets don't like it, so we had to do it here. I found Mario In-N-Out pipe and crushed coin brick fridge magnet on MakerWorld.com. So go check it out.